Required to attend tumbling classes, but we didn't have to tumble.
Okay, so it's gonna be a lot worse if I try it. So if I'm gonna try, me and Gina are gonna try it. You have to try it first. What is it? Show me a pike.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I definitely haven't even stretched, and I have not attempted this in like
I like
5 years.
I think I've stretched.
And oh my god, okay, fine.
Move the chairs though, so you don't hurt yourself.
Okay.
She's wearing her leggings.
Spartan.
Though. See, we're wearing
Power. Pike.
Oh, I should probably do it now.
You do it the way you're doing it. She's going to. Wait a minute.
I got my shoes.
And don't worry, I know you're going, what's the point of this? I can't see it. You can see it later. We'll put it on the internet. I just want to see if we can. Maybe I missed my calling in high school.
You try.
Yeah.
I don't understand what you did though, because I was picturing your feet going straight
That's
forward.
what you're supposed to do.
That's
She
what's
didn't do it
supposed
right.
to happen.
Well, I can't pike.
Okay.
I have flip flops on. That's going to be
Take
a
off your
horrible
shoes. I
way.
took
So
off
I'm
my
going to do
shoes
barefoot pike.
I'm taking off my shoes because they. Oh my god. Oh, that's pretty good.
That was really good.
Spartan, power. All right, Gina.
You can get air.
Okay.
It's better than mine.
Here we go.
All right, come on, James.
Should I take off my earrings?
No, this is going to be awesome.
Wait, which way do your head's going? That?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gina did really well, but she almost stacked when she. What's one you can actually do and
that's
put on
hard.
our list of cheerleading moves?
The herky.
What's that?
The herky is the jump too, where you're like this, or
Well, yeah.
Well,
You can't say we're like this. We're on the radio.
okay, where you put your right or your left leg straight out to the side, and like
throw
half
your-
leg
the
is
same
bent.
arm.
right, like half of a touch.
Oh, I think
toe
I've seen
touch.
that and bring it on.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
See it.
Okay. Well, I'm not
No.
good.
This is going to be awesome.
How are you the co-captain? You're not good.
Okay, well, that was like 5 years ago. Okay, and I
Yeah.
used to cheer every day of my life.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Just go. She's stretching out.
Okay.
Go. Here we go. Oh my god. Her faces are the funniest. Why do cheerleaders always make those faces? Why is it so intense?
They're called facials, and you have to. It's part of your everyday cheer life. You just got to be peppy.
Oh, it's like when people do it when they're dancing in Broadway or dancing on stage too. My favorite cheesy dancing or cheerleading face is the one that looks like you're surprised you just did that
I know.
move. Oh,
And
did I do that?
Do they make you do these faces and like when you walk around school? Because I remember the cheerleaders walk around school on Fridays with their cheerleading outfits on. They still had the same faces.
Hello.
Their
Well, that's what
smiles.
cheerleaders are. They're just,
They're bringing
excited.
joy to the people.
Exactly.
So did they sit you guys down and say you guys need to have these faces all the time
Not 24/7. Of course, it's during like whenever you're performing or.
when you're in your uniform?
No, not necessarily.
Can I tell you that there are certain minor things that we carry around for years after you're a cheerleader? And I noticed this when I used to do stand-up comedy. I could tell the women in the audience that were cheerleaders because first of all, they applaud. Most people applaud like this. All the cheerleaders applaud like this. Their hands are exactly
Straight.
both sticking straight up, and they arch their back even in their chair. They don't applaud like this. They all do.
Actually, I
And
sure clap like
if
that.
they get really excited about something, there's some synapse fires off in their brain, and they break off one of these. Woo! There's where they put their hand behind their head and then put it in the air.
Like
That's not an
throwing
appropriate
something.
reaction to a joke. How much in your DNA does that get?
It just you
Where they-
you
You know what I mean? Where they
Yeah,
put their
yeah.
elbow behind their hand behind their head and then
Fling something.
fling it into the air.
yeah. It's just you just do it so much. It just becomes part of your life.
All
You know, it's a lifestyle. When you get into cheerleading, it's a lifestyle. I mean,
It's expensive
for cheerleading,
lifestyle.
I know they used to warn you that cheerleading isn't just like a seasonal sport. It's all throughout the year. You know, so you gotta commit.
Gotta
and
commit.
I was committed.
You know, I had a lot of girlfriends that were cheerleaders, and that's how I knew what all the moves are, and I used to practice. And it's true, to this day, they're still like that.
I have to apologize. My jumps, honestly,
I know,
jumps are
she's a captain.
If you're the
First of
captain,
all-
I want to see the rest of the
First
squad.
of all, you know what? Our cheer squad was very good. We were very, very, very good. But I was honestly never really great at my jumps. Like probably the best one that I was at was probably maybe the toe touch, and it was just kind of a little bit easier to do. But
What was that last one you did called again?
right herky.
So my My right leg's gonna come up.
straight, and
Right
the other
to the
one's
side,
bent.
and the other one's gonna
You
be
see it
bent
and Bring It On.
outward.
They do that a lot in Bring It On.
I don't watch Bring It On.
AJ's trying to do it right now. His back is straight. His face. Oh my gosh. Oh. I think your back leg has to go backwards.
Back leg's gotta go back?
Yeah. So it's like
Wait.
your front leg's straight and your back leg's backwards. So at a bent.
I can't do it. I can't even keep a straight face while I'm
I
trying.
think if you practice, you'd be really good, AJ.
All right,
Yeah,
well,
you got some good hops.
it's never
Yeah.
too late, you know, if there's, I don't know what grown-ass men,
Chili for
what opportunities I'd have to get onto a squad.
There are definitely
The Padres.
opportunities. All-star leagues with some grown men there. So AJ.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I think,
Oh, yeah.
you know what I
Those guys
wouldn't
are
like?
really good though.
Here's what I wouldn't like. The responsibility of catching somebody.
I know.
Throw somebody up in the air? No, I don't want that on my shoulders.
Yeah, it's scary, but it's fun.
Well, we've learned a little something today, and boy, is that video going to be something to see. As I'm doing this, I'm thinking, I'm not watching this video. I don't want to see myself do this.
Me.
You do good facials. You do
Oh,
good facials.
I gotta get
Yes.
the facials down?
Yes.
Excellent. Gina, you have a grown woman friend, 25 years old.